Good morning, Mexican American literature. This is Miss Alba, and today is March 30th, 2020. This is week 3 of our online schooling due to quarantine, and still good to be with you. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to get started with this week. We're going to start on last unit, we explored this idea of identity, and we came to the conclusion, right, that Mexican is not a nationality. I mean, Mexican is a nationality, it is not a race. And we also learned that the term Mexican, right, becomes a nationality when Mexico becomes a nation as a result of independence from Spain. But the term originally meant people, and it was what the Aztecs called themselves. The Aztecs were called Aztecs by everybody else who didn't see them as belonging. And so now we are going to think about the term Mexican American. We're going to identify again how identity comes about because of a historical moment. And so we are going to trace the birth of the Mexican American to the Mexican American War. In order to understand Mexican Americans, you have to start with this particular moment because Mexican Americans did not exist previous to this. So our unit goal is that after investigating and analyzing perspectives on the Mexican American War through film, through art, through poetry, and then eventually we're going to study how corridos and cuentos came about. You will write an analysis of the impact of the annexation of Mexico's northern territories by the United States on contemporary Mexican American culture, identity, and politics. So first thing we're going to do this week, we are going to watch clips every single day on this particular film, Foreigners in Their Own Land, because I think it does a perfect job of setting us up to understand what happened to who and then what resulted because of the Mexican American War. So attached to this assignment for this week, you will see there every day you will take Cornell Notes on the film Foreigners in Their Own Land. We're only going to watch it 10-minute clips at a time. So after writing this, however, by the end of the week, you'll write a summary that identifies the significant historical context and issues which resulted from the Mexican-American War. So you're going to see an attachment, the Cornell Notes. Once again, the topic is the Mexican-American War, and the text is the film Foreigners in Their Own Land. And our essential question today will be, how did natives become foreigners in their own land? At the end of the week, you'll continue to use our summary templates to identify the main ideas and key details. So let's get started. First thing will be the first 10 minutes of Foreigners in Their Own Land. As you watch, you'll be using the attached Cornell Notes form. And as you answer our essential question, you are going to be jotting down important points made by the speaker or film. Include also names of people, dates, places, and important events. So I would like 3, as we go, important events, things that happen. You will jot down 2 names of people, 1 question or point of understanding or idea. So these are the who, these are the Who, right? We're going to be asking ourselves who, what, when, where, why, how. The three important events, three things that happen, the who's, and this will be how, and then why. What happened when, to who, and then how or why. As we are looking, right? Follow up on these. And over here, you're going to explain and complete sentences. Why are those details important? How do they help us answer our essential question? So what does it show? What does it help you understand? Do you agree? Do you disagree with the thoughts in the film? And then maybe what does it make you think or wonder? So everything you jot down. So important event number 1, Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo. Why is that important? You're going to tell me, and then you're going to follow up on why you think it's important. So this is for part 1. All right, and that's it. You have a great rest of your day. And tomorrow we will continue with the same film, still thinking about why this moment is important and how it affected Mexican American identity and culture. Thank you and have a great day.